Hello. Let me to present you that nice preset for mobile Lightroom, which is gonna make your Instagram even better than now. And be sure you can make the same one watching this video. Don't forget, you also can get it absolutely for free. Just pay an attention on the right top corner, where you can see a password which consists of 2 parts. If you have any problems about that, feel free and leave your comment down below the video, and we'll help you, for sure. Okay. Let's get started.
How did you find a way to run from the city of the sun? You could have stayed, it's only over when the day is done. I never knew you was a runner, yeah. I mistook you for a son. It don't matter what we think when it's all over, 'cause this is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah. This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah. This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah. This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah. How did you find a way to run from the city of the sun? You could have stayed, it's only over when the day is done. I never knew you was a runner, yeah. I mistook you for a son. It don't matter what we think when it's all over, 'cause this is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah. This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah. did you find a way to run from the city of the sun? You could have stayed, it's only over when the day is done. I never knew you was a runner, yeah. I mistook you for a son. It don't matter what we think when it's all over. 'Cause this is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah.
That's heat. We made it. Now you'll see how this preset looks on other photos. Don't forget to save the preset to use it whenever you like. And let us know if something was going wrong with your preset. We will be glad to help you. See you next time.